Hey, good morning everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic, coming to you from Kansas City here. I got something fun and interesting to show you here. Yeah, hi guys, I'm here in Kansas City still for a couple more days here. This is my buddy Robert's bus. He completely converted this bus himself on the inside. It's a beautiful build, and he brought it to Florida this past winter, but he has since drastically changed his mind as far as diesel prices and things like. I actually like this direction he's going, but so he's got the minivan also, and he has said that he would possibly take this down the road. He's got a bed in there. He's got all his tools to do work because he is King's Auto Mobile Repair, and he's working on my RV and a couple other things, but he got something to tow behind his Honda Odyssey. And this is it, guys. A one-of-a-kind custom stealth camper. It is a Hallmark brand. It's about 10 feet long, about 6 feet tall from ground to floor. There's Robert, my buddy Robert. Nice find, buddy. Where'd you find this?
Up in Kansas.
Score.
Got it tagged already?
So, is it built out yet? Let's take a peek.
Nope, not yet.
Let's take a peek. Wow, look at all the wood. Wow. That is, somebody put a lot of time into this little trailer, buddy. Wow, there is a lot of wood. You got a TV here. You already got an air conditioner. Score. Man. That is really sweet. It's got windows on both sides. And then the back part over here, barn doors open up for a rear kitchen. Look at all the wood. My gosh. Little refrigerator there and a microwave, coffee pot, a sink with running water. I'll even put in a little water heater down there, but you could just use a bucket to fill water and drain water. Lots of storage. Even put wood compartments here on the door to hold stuff. Wow.
Yep, she's a cream puff.
Not bad, buddy. What do you think this thing weighs?
1,000 pounds maybe.
That ain't bad. That shouldn't be too bad behind the van. Wow, okay, and then here's where the power is. Just AC power and water hookups there. Interesting story behind this lid that says phone. It's an old elevator compartment door for the phone inside of an elevator. It works though, right? Yeah, so this ought to be a lot more comfortable than sleeping in the van. Pretty nice. So that's just the exterior. He just got this a couple days ago. If you want to check out his build series, I'm trying to get him to film how he's going to customize the inside. Hop on over to King's Auto Shop. Is that the name of the YouTube channel?
Yep.
King's Auto Shop. And he'll be building this out before he hits the road, trying to get him to get down to Arizona to help me on my property. So gotta make it yours, right? You gotta customize it. That'll be interesting. I'll put the links in the video description. You can check out his channel and tell him to get with it. I also gotta empty the hot tub today, let it dry overnight, and then deflate that because I'll be taking this back to Arizona with me. Hey, one of the great things about doing a complete dinette RV remodel is that we get to burn all the old wood. We actually saved a lot of it. This stuff, some of the panel board and stuff. I gotta take some metal off still, but a lot of this cannot be reused. So we're gonna have a nice little bonfire to celebrate the completion of the dinette. Let's go find a flame torch. Start it right down there. Just burn a hole right through this box and then it'll go straight up. That's how we do that. Oh, this is Robert's new portable toilet box. He got a little cassette toilet for the trailer video series. Yep. That should probably be good, I think. And get her started. There we go. We're already snap, crackling, and popping in there. Heck yeah, it's the most rewarding part. Love living out in the country where you can just burn whatever. It's no burn ban right now. It's light winds. We're good. Uh-oh. Getting out of control. I'm so ready to camp, guys. I'm loving the RV setup. I cannot wait to camp. Actually, Robert and I were talking about, even though he doesn't have his trailer fully built, we're thinking about going out camping. Just, you know, because it's midweek and the weather's nice. Might just go test things out, see how everything works. All right, and lastly, the tables put on there. I did grab the plastic cup holders that were in the end over there. Might reuse those in the current table, but she gone. She gone, guys. Robert and I just decided together that today might not be the day to go camp. Although the campground will probably be wide open, it is pouring like crazy here in Missouri. A huge cold front storm with wind and rain is upon us, and I don't see the point in paying to go camp and then sit in my RV. I can do that right here in Robert's driveway. So we're gonna put this off and try again here in a day or two. Sorry about that, guys. Delayed weather. Bummer, it is day 2 of rain. I know Missouri probably needs the rain. It just takes me back to how much I enjoyed Florida this winter. It was beautiful. It's nice to know that there are places that can be nice to spend a winter, but this time of year in Missouri, you get a lot of this. It has not been good camping weather, so we've had to change our plans quite a bit. I'm postponing my trip back to Arizona because of this going on right here. Aw, the rain stopped. How about that? I actually almost forgot to tell you guys something. I have some big news. You remember Vanna White, my camper van? When I was building out that awesome 1997 Ford, I think it's called a Coachman van. Yeah, I had a lot of fun for about a month replacing everything in that van, from the propane lines, the water lines, the generator, brand new air conditioner, new tires, a new refrigerator. Heck, what didn't I fix on that van? It went to an owner who is a friend of mine in Florida, and as it turns out, that friend has been enjoying the camper van as well for the last 2 years, while also making even more improvements on that van, and she has since upgraded to an almost brand new van. And, well, Vanna White is back for sale, so I wanted to give my viewers a chance. If you're looking for an awesome camper van, something that's easily able to park anywhere, and it was once owned by me, and still has a lot of life left into it, I will put the link below to the video description. You can get a hold of Deb. Her email will be down there. Also, I will show you some pictures, some updated pictures over here on the side to let you know some of the stuff that's been changed, some color stuff to make it a little bit more contemporary and try to de-teal the RV. It had a lot of teal in it before, but it's got that one-of-a-kind rare speaker on the outside that this RV also has. So anyway, Vanna White is for sale and could be yours if you are interested. Email Deb below if you are interested in the Zephyr Hills, Florida area there. Kind of close to the airport though, so I'm just saying that's there too. We're camping. There we go. Just had to be patient and be a little creative. It's not raining here in Kansas. I'm back to Lake Meola in Paola, Kansas. And I got the site I wanted to, this end site that has a huge front yard that I was eyeing last time I was here. And yeah, Robert's doing his first official test of the trailer, the new trailer he got being pulled behind the van over there next to me. Just battling the wind here, trying to get some blockage. Robert's been working on it. Look at this. He's got the bed in with storage underneath. And his bucket for pooping, because he's a bucket pooper now. Got the fire stick plugged in, don't need the AC. That's what you are. It's basically a bucket.
That's not a bucket.
It's basically a bucket.
No, that's like a poop
It's shaped
bucket.
like a bucket.
But it's a poop bucket.
Okay, it's a fancy poop bucket.
Yeah.
And he's pulled out the water heater that the previous owner installed because, well, why?
Well, there wasn't boondocking. I'm going to be boondocking, so I'm going to put a water tank in here. Because I'd rather have cold water instead of no water and hot
Like
water.
a normal water pump that pumps water with DC battery? Okay, yeah, that makes more sense.
Yep.
Does it look different over here now since we last saw it? Yeah. Oh, okay. Got the power station in there now. Room for a water tank. Fridge is hooked up over there. Yeah, a lot more room in. Oh yeah, got the LED strip lights going. Look, my favorite color, green. Yep. Got them on the outside going all the way around. Also, Robert added underglow, which I'll show you later tonight. We're both going to be lit up green here. And, yeah, looks pretty sweet. And we both brought our trucks, our Traxxas Maxes. Yeah, going to be doing some... Oh, fueled by Keystone Light. Nice, I like that little mod there. Yeah, yeah, we might do some racing here with the trucks in the grass.
It goes really fast now.
Oh, yeah. I actually made a couple mods to my Max as well. I've got the LED headlight kit on the bumper there. And back here it has brake lights and running lights and white lights for reverse. So at night, or if it's like getting a little dark, you can see what's going off in the distance, which way your truck's heading. Also, what did I do? Okay, I got steel drive lines on here now. Steel, because I keep breaking these plastic drive lines. They're really cheap, so steel ought to do me a little better. Anything else I changed? I broke the spur gear for the transmission in here, so now I have a metal spur gear inside here. Same thing, 50-tooth stock size, but a little more durable now. Yeah. Huh?
Your pins are coming out.
Oh yeah, need to tighten that one right there. Oh, grilling up some doggy dogs there, huh?
Yep.
On the back of the camper. Awesome. You wouldn't like them, Jasmine. They're delicious. I got a new lock for my e-bike. Don't think this one's gonna leave for a while. I did a bunch of research and I found what YouTube calls the best bike lock available. I still believe nothing is really perfect, but I'm gonna hear some loud power tools going if they try to cut through this chain right here. So this chain here is kryptonite, 1/2-inch thick square tubing steel. They say something about the square. It's a lot harder to cut through the square. I mean, it's heavy, but it's got this wrap, and then I got one of the good locks on there. So it's gonna take quite some effort to take this bike, and I'm gonna hear somebody trying to take it from inside the RV, I think. Like I said, nothing's perfect, but I'd rather keep this one. I'm tired of bike thieves. Oh yeah, grilled dogs. Oh, those are good. Those are real good. That's how we do that. Nice, comfortable evening. A little chilly still, but it is going to warm up quickly. I've got all my green lights on. I love it. There's a few select people on my channel that get really triggered by lights, underglow lights. Like, I mean, super, super triggered. And all I can generally do is just laugh and smile. Like, people really get concerned about light pollution. Now, I feel like there's a lot more important issues in the world than my light pollution at my camp. Ooh, we got trains. We got trains nearby this campground. However, with the little rain delay that was happening in Missouri, there is a little bonus. I have decided to change my plans. I am not going to be darting it back to Arizona like I had planned to. I'm going to be taking it a little easy as we go south now. Real time, I am going to make it to southern Texas to see my mom for Mother's Day. Although the videos, I don't know, these videos might air after Mother's Day, but that's where I'm heading, to Texas, to go see my mom. I'm just so close. It doesn't make sense to skip over now that she's not in Washington State. I want to go see her in Texas. So I'm going to do that. Let me show you the inside. I want to show you how green it is inside my RV right now. Well, first, my buddy Robert, I think he's got some green over here too. Oh yeah, I'm loving all the green. Can we see the inside too? I think you picked the right color, bud. Oh, that's great. Hey, Jasmine. That's awesome.
What are you doing?
Man, that looks really good, bud. I think green is your color inside.
Yep.
And the back part over here. Yep. Dang, that is just so much better. How dare you with all that light pollution?
I know.
Yes.
I'm a horrible person.
This campground is just suffering because of us. Aw, Opie dopey. You like Robert? He's a dog person. He's a dog person, Opie. So on the TV, I picked a little green scene here, kind of like a rave in the RV. Everything's got to be green in here. Yeah. So, look at this, guys. A table! It's, Well, I would call it semi-permanent, but I can easily put it away. This is the one I got at the junkyard that came with the purchase of the couch. It's actually gray, even though it looks green on camera. It's gray, so it matches the floor and the couch, and you can just take it off the pole. The pole comes out of the floor there, and the only thing you're left with is that little plate right there in the floor, which is almost flush. So I can store this when I don't want to use it. But I think it's nice. I got the laptop here for editing. Robert even added me a little beer holder in there. And I can scooch here into the table and show you my cat. I love you too, Opie. Got my laptop here. It's all good. I can easily sneak out, or I can just like this, rotate it. I can even put a camping chair over there and play cribbage or some other card game with a friend when it's raining. So I like my desk. It's really nice. See, it's perfect. I'm editing here at my computer, and I've got my terror bear right next to me. My baby girl, she just wants to be next to me. She doesn't even need me to pet her. She just needs me to give her some love and to be close while I'm working. You are such a precious girl. Yes, you are, Angel. So, heck yeah. Love it. Love my setup. I'm going to get some editing done and then hit the road south from here in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Tara and Opie and I will see you in the next one. Robert's going back up north. I'm doing my own thing. Okay, bye, guys.